Cooking with Quirk and Yetti! What's up? I'm Owen with a Wee Bit Quirky Barbecue here in North Carolina.
Oh, hey, and I'm Ben from Yetti 911, and I'm out here in Utah.
And together,
we are gonna whip up some Korean fire wings.
Alright, so we got these wings. We're gonna do these Korean fire sauce wings. So we've got some chicken wings that I've trimmed up a little bit. Get those shake them around. Alright, so we got cornstarch. I like to do just a light dusting of this. It helps with the crisp and some of the moisture there. And alright, I don't have a spoon again. Are you serious? I'm gonna get a spoon. I can't believe I did this a second time. I'm back and I got stuff now. That was not planned. Alright, so we're gonna mix this around a little bit. I'm out of gloves, so just gonna mix this here with utensils. Alright, a little bit of EVOO. That goes there. And a little more mix. Ooh, there's the sun. North Carolina, sunny here. Spring / summer is on its way. Alright. I don't know about Yetti out in Utah. He's gonna have what weather he's got going on. We'll find out later. Alright. Salt. Oh, that was too much. I'll mix it in. Mixing it. And pepper, black pepper going on these things. So we're not putting a lot of spices on these as far as the dry rub goes. Most of the flavor punch is going to come from that sauce that Yetti's going to make here in a minute. I felt like Yetti was getting all the fun with the sauce he's making, so I'm going to add some of this Korean red pepper just because I like the color pop. Winging it. See? Winging it. Because it's wings. See? Alright, we're mixing. A little more. Alright, it's pretty good. So, we're going to basically put these on the smoker like this. I'm going to cook them up, and then we're going to get them over to Yetti. Let him finish up out in Utah.
So, the first step is taking your claw, getting a good chug. Yeah. Better get two. Okay, I'm ready. Second thing is, we're working with some spicy stuff, so I'm going to glove up. So, while Owen's making the wings, what I'm going to do is mix up the sauce. I think I got the hard part because this morning when we were practicing, Owen couldn't figure out how to say the two words that are main ingredients to this sauce. So the first thing we use is gochujang, which is a spicy Korean paste. And this stuff is like the super glue of the flavor world. I cannot get this off anything. I've ruined many shirts, calendars. This measuring cup's probably done for. It's still fine. That dogs will eat that later. On top of that, the next one is, we didn't practice this one this morning, so this one's a very big surprise. It's a Korean chili powder flakes, and they're called gochugaru. So you mix that in there. You put 2 tablespoons of gochugaru in there. The next thing is honey. So we got 2 tablespoons of honey. I'll just use this You know, like I said, you can see that the red's never coming out of any of these dishes again. I want to get it all because we want a little sweetness with that hot paste. Then we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar and 1 tablespoon of water. I mixed them together because I was running out of things I could put these in. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Oh yeah, it smells good. That'll make them smell toasty. We use 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Then we put in 2 cloves of garlic, freshly minced, of course. And then we have 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. I'm not really good at shredding ginger, so I just use the paste out of the tube, a lot easier. Then we're going to take this pan, or this pot, we're going to put it on the burner behind me, let it warm up, and then we're going to kill some time while we wait for Quirk there to finish the wings and get them to me. Thanks.
The barrel's hot. We're going to put the wings in here and let them do their thing for a little bit. Alright, so for the pit barrel rods go in. Lid goes on. Now wait. Alright, so the wings have been going for a little bit. We're going to check on them, see how they're looking. Holy smokes, they look awesome! Alright, so I cracked this lid a little bit to bring the temps up, get the skin a little crispy on these wings. So I'm going to take them off, they're almost done. I'm going to put them in a tray, and then I'm going to get them out to Utah to Yetti to get them sauced and finish them up. Woo-wee! Those looking good. Let's get them going. Wow, wow, wow. All right. Make sure these wings are hot when we get them out to Utah. Here we go. All right, catch you later.
Guy runs all the way from Fouquet, North Carolina, can't even wait around long enough for me to say hello. Well, let's go out back and let's finish him up.
It's pronounced Fuquay-Varina.
Oh, I'm parched. Quirk took a little while to get here, but let's take a look at these bad boys. Sauce is all ready to go, so I'm just gonna go ahead, take what he ran over to me. See, some nice wings there. I'm gonna grab the sauce off the burner back here. Make sure it's off. And get all that stuff off the bottom. I got enough dishes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the tin that Quirk left for me. Make sure I get all that deliciousness out of there. All right. I'm gonna coat these wings. Back there. One less thing to make a mess. Now, I don't have the fancy tools like Quirk has, so I just go caveman style, use my hands. I don't have extra spoons or measuring cups to stir things up. I'm just gonna make sure that these get good and coated. Ooh, that's a lot of sauce. Good. A little bit warm on my fingies. Pretty good. Good coating. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, put them back on. I'm gonna put them on here. Makes it a little easier for me to clean my grill off. And let these go back on the grill for just 5-7 minutes, just to get a little caramelization on them. Doesn't really need to be a lot. The wings are done. I just want to help the sauce get a little tacky. And when we get done, I got a special way to get one back to the old Quirkster. Stay tuned. I'm going to taste test it first. Oh yeah. Oh, a little bit of kick, a little bit of sweet. You're gonna love it when it gets to you. See you later. So these wings are amazing. I'm a little fatter than the old Quirk, so I'm not gonna run all the way over there. So I'm gonna give them a call, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get it to them. Hey, you there? Quirk. Yeah. You ready? All right, keep your heads up. Coming at you hot. All right, let me know if you get it. Crow hop.
Oh yeah! You know what time it is? Wing time! Yetti, that sauce. Woo! You nailed it. Hope you didn't tear a rotator cuff with that throw, but it's good.
Korean Fire Sauce Wings by Yetti the Quirky Barbecue and Yetti 911.